Hey, this is Z with Small Scale Development, and today is November 8th, and we are on site at the Washington Townhouses. And today we've got the foundation blocks going in. You can see them here. On one side we've got them pretty much installed. The other side they're all lined up along the outside, getting ready to be put in. And what you'll notice here is you can see we've got, hopefully you can hear me, we've got people working on trees back there too and all sorts of stuff, but we've got one block, we've got a half block, and then we've got another block that is L-shaped here. So we're gonna got the holes in the middle, and we are going to pour the concrete in up to here, so it'll level out, and then we've got, in some places we've got rebar coming up here, so that goes down into that went in the footing and sticking up to help secure the foundation blocks to the footing, and then right here you can see it's cut out. So this part right here, it's dropped down. So what's going to happen is we're going to get the we're going to dump loads of gravel in here next into the foundation. After that, we're going to get the plumber in, and they're going to lay all their lines. And what we're going to need to do is get a little bobcat, little skid steer loader in here and roll it in, and then spread out all the gravel. So we need to keep this space right here open so that we have access for that skid steer loader to get in. And you can see here on the right here we've got a step down. So we've got the 2.5 layers here, and then we drop it one more. And then we've got another step down right here, and then we've got another step down over in front there. One thing that we've noticed here is sometimes the foundations have an issue of cracking at these steps. So the footing, the soil may swell and compact with, it's got clay soil, so it may swell and compact with moisture, and so especially where these steps are, they may have a tendency to crack along those lines and causing the cinder blocks to crack as well. And so what the structural engineers had us do is put, I should have showed you this on the when we were pouring the footings and we had the rebar in here, but we instead of having, you know, what people used to do is just put the rebar come here, put a new rebar here. And so what they have us do is actually run the rebar along here, and then they bend it down and then run it through and continuous, and then, you know, put a new piece of rebar there and back there. So it's rather than making two steps there, making it a continuous footing. And then additionally for support, just having these rebars every so often come up just to help solidify the foundation. And let's see what else we've got here. Well, I guess that's about it for today. So looks like they just started the foundation blocks today, so looks like this is shaping up pretty well, and then they've got the one next door still to do. Well, and that's all for today. Thanks.